Why do people snore? As you fall asleep, the muscles in your mouth and throat relax. That narrows your airway, and when air squeezes through, it makes tissues in your throat, tongue, and nose vibrate, which creates that snoring sound. But what makes it worse? Things like being overweight, sleeping on your back, drinking alcohol, smoking, having allergies, or even enlarged tonsils. Snoring might seem harmless, but it's really your airway telling you it's under a little pressure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to enjoy being idle sometimes. And most importantly,
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to
Try to take over the world.